Hello friends, I am Akhil Mahajan. I am a financial planner. Today we will have a detailed review about two top performing schemes. One is HDFC Small Cap Fund and other is SBI Small Cap Fund. What we will do, we will first see the fund managers who are managing these schemes, their experiences, their profile. Then we will find in which stock they have invested and what portfolio they have built in order to achieve this return. There is small request from my side. If you like my channel, please subscribe it so that I can easily reach to you and help you in building your portfolio better by providing better schemes for your portfolio. Here comes the comparison between SBI Small Cap Fund versus HDFC Small Cap Fund. Here is the agenda. First, we will study fund managers profile of both these schemes, their investment style, how much fund has generated return both in percentage and money value, their top 10 stock holdings, their sector allocation in order to generate the return, and at the end we will decide which fund has scored better and good for your portfolio. Let's start with SBI Small Cap Fund Manager's profile. Mr. R. Srinivasan has joined as a senior fund manager in May 2009. Now he heads equity segment at SBI Mutual Fund. He has more than 25 years experience and has worked with many companies. One of them is Motilal Oswal. He is commerce graduate and has done Master in Financial Management degree from University of Mumbai. Apart from this fund, he is managing SBI Equity Hybrid Fund, SBI Focus Equity Fund, SBI Tax Advantage Fund, and SBI Long Term Advantage Fund Series 4 and 5. His investment style is he is picking both value stock as well as growth stock, and his style of investment is bottom up investment approach in which he is finding the companies which he feels good for the investment and he invests in that, and this is how the fund is generating returns. Now comes the SDC Small Cap Fund Manager's profile. The fund is managed by Mr. Chirag Satalved. He has 23 years experience and has a management degree from USA. He is managing 6 HDFC mutual fund schemes. Among them are HDFC Children Fund, HDFC Hybrid Equity Fund, HDFC Long Term Advantage Fund, HDFC Mid Cap Opportunities Fund, HDFC Multi Asset Fund, HDFC Retirement Saving Funds. His investment style is similar for managing the scheme like SBI Small Cap Fund. The scheme also follows bottom-up investment approach and the stocks are picked on the basis of value stocks as well as growth stocks. Let's have a return comparison between two schemes. Blue stand for SBI Small Cap Fund and orange stand for HDFC Small Cap Fund. In 1 year, HDFC Small Cap Fund has provided better return as it has given 97.15% return compared to SBI Small Cap Fund which has provided 87.12% return. But in 3 years, 5 years and since inception, SBI Small Cap Fund is much better in terms of return. If we talk about 3 years return, it has given 26.46% return, much ahead than HDFC Small Cap Fund which has just generated 18.68% return. In 5 years, it has given 20.47% return while HDFC is given 14.62%. Here it is laggard again. If we talk about since inception, HDFC Small Cap Fund has launched date of 3rd April 2008 while SBI Small Cap launch date is 9 September 2009. So since inception, again SBI Small Cap Fund has proved to be better, but since period is different, we leave since inception return. But if we talk about 3 years, 5 years, we feel SBI Small Cap Fund has proved to be better performer. To give you a better picture of investment, what we have tried, we have done a SIP in both the schemes for different time frames, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and tried to find out which scheme has scored better with different time frames and tried to build a conclusion that which will be the better scheme when we are going to invest. So now talking about a 5,000 investment, if we made for 1 year, SBI Small Cap Fund, blue stand for investment and orange stand for portfolio value. For 1 year, SBI Small Cap Fund has an investment of 60,000. Now it is holding a value of 85,844. Whereas HDFC Small Cap Fund has scored better over 1 year, as with 60,000 investment, it is at present 88,574. But when we see the long-term horizon, we find that SBI Small Cap has scored much better than HDFC Small Cap Fund. So talking about 3 years investment of rupees 1,80,000, this figure come 5,000 into 36 months, 1,80,000 will be the amount you will get. The portfolio value is 2,64,230 rupees, whereas in HDFC it is only 2,37,208 rupees, much shorter than SBI Small Cap Fund. And when the time frame we increases to 5 year, what we found that SBI Small Cap Fund has investment of 3 lakh and now it is at approximately 5 lakh, whereas SBI Small Cap Fund is much shorter in terms of value. It has just reached to 4,32,974. So I believe from here you can straight away find that SBI Small Cap Fund has really generated much better return compared to HDFC Small Cap. Let's see their top 10 holding in both the funds. First, we will go through the top 10 holdings of SBI Small Cap Fund. It is JK Cement 5.49%, LEG Equipment 5.16%, V-Guard Industries 4.17%, Sheela Foam 3.94%, Techno Engineering 3.40%, Carborundum Universal 3.25%, Blue Star 3.23%, Narayana 3.18%, Lemon Tree 3.14%, Hawkins Cooker 3.10%. So all these top 10 holdings comprises 38.06% of the total portfolio. So there are a number of different stocks, but this is the top 10 holdings which we have shown at present. SDFC Small Cap Fund, whereas includes Bajaj Electrical 5.44%, First Source Solutions 4.99%, Persistent System 4.13%, Sonata Software 3.78%, Chambal Fertilizer and Chemical 3.59%, Procter & Gamble Health 2.77%, Aurobindo Pharma 2.70%, Aster DM Healthcare 2.65%, PNC Infratech 2.46%, KEC International 2.41%. So their top 10 holdings is 34.92%, and rest many stocks are there, but weights are less. Now, this chart shows where actual money is distributed among the different sectors in SBI Small Cap Fund and HDFC Small Cap Fund. SBI is blue in shape and HDFC is in orange color. So what we find, the sector allocation is more tilted toward engineering in SBI Small Cap Fund, which has invested at present 18.33% of the total portfolio in this, then construction, then FMCG, then consumer durable, services, chemical. This is how they have distributed. But if we see about HDFC Small Cap Fund, they have more tilted their portfolio towards services 17.92%, chemicals 14.24%, healthcare 10.70%. So their different portfolios have generated different returns, which we have seen in the earlier portion. Okay. So our conclusion here is very easy. SBI Small Cap Fund has really performed better and given much better returns. So I hope you like the presentation and video. I suggest you to like the channel so that we can easily reach to you and provide you better scheme for adding in your portfolio. Thank you.